Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking good. Beautiful day. Snowing outside, which nobody really likes the snow. Does anybody like the snow? Some people like the snow. I don't like driving in the snow. I don't like walking in the snow. I don't like getting wet. But regardless, we got Michael Allen first in the chat. Lonnie second in the chat. Nick F, what's going on? Good morning to you, Nick F. J-Bones, baby. Jeremiah, Johnny K, Jeremiah, J-Bones, next, Jeremiah. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here. Sorry it took me a little later to start the live stream there. I know Jeremiah is very excited about it, but uploading a YouTube video, and it's still uploading, so if I'm lagging, I'm sorry about that. The video is uploading right now, and usually when something is uploading at the same time that I am trying to stream, it hits the internet, and then it makes me lag and do all this stupid stuff. So I was trying to let it get done, but it's taking longer than usual. So I just decided to go live, and I still have to, whenever that finishes, update the thumbnail and all of that for this live stream. So make sure to remind me to do that. Let's see. We got a light dusting up here in Wisconsin. Yeah, it's snowing right now. I would consider this a light dusting as well. I looked out right before the live stream. The grass was getting covered, but like my back patio was still melting as soon as it was hitting the cement there. So we'll see if it continues on all day long today or what we're going to have, but not too bad so far. Pepu, 300% gain. Let's go. Mustafa, yes, sir. Yes, man. And sorry, these cats are showing me way too much love this morning. So I should probably wash my face. But here we are. Yeah, let's take a look at Pepe token real quick. Guys, Pepe Unchained is, if you would have bought in during the pre-sale, you're up like 3-4x. Okay? That if you would have bought in early stages. If you would have bought in late stages of the Pepe Unchained pre-sale, you were still making some serious money, but you're up about 2x, I think. Let's see where we are. Golly bum. You guys got to be feeling good about this one right now. Let me show you the 5-minute chart. This is absolutely awesome. And this is what pre-sales are doing in bull markets. Now, let me talk about this, right? Pepe Unchained doing phenomenally right now. And this is a 5-minute chart here. Yesterday's, you know what, let's just so you can see it a little bit better. Let's go 15 maybe. See what that looks like. Yeah, that's not bad. Candles are a little bit better here. So we can still see it pretty good. Pepe Unchained, phenomenal. This is happening for a variety of reasons. And I don't necessarily think it's just because Pepe Unchained is some sort of, an amazing pre-sale and so on. We're in a bull market, okay? It was a very weird time in the bear market when pre-sales were going on, and like Base Dogs and Play Doge and some of the other ones, they launched and they went down, right? People panic sold. Everybody wanted, they got in early. They had a little price rise, but they panic sell immediately upon launch because the overwhelming sentiment, as indicated by the Fear to Greed Index, actually, is fear when you're in a little bit of a bear market slump. Right now, this reminds me of early 2024, February, March, April. You had tokens like Dogeverse and Slothana and I don't know, some of the other ones that were out there, Scotty AI and meme. What was I forget what the meme one was that I 3x'd on. This is the beautiful sentiment of a bull market. If you would have bought in the early stages of the pre-sale, you were in at 008, which means that you were up 4x right now. 300% gains on Pepe Unchained. And like I say, I don't think that this is specific or exclusive to Pepe Unchained. I think that other tokens like Wall Street Pepe, Flockers, and some of those others are going to be doing very well as well. This one obviously got a lot of attention, 44.7 thousand holders. They raised $74 million. It's a little different there. But Crypto All-Stars and a lot of the other pre-sales that I talk about right now, I really hope to see similar, if not better, gains. Now, if you're up 3-4x already, if you want to shave some profits, man. But we are in a bull market, and we are looking very good. All right. Let's see, only 6 more days until another Federal Reserve rate cut. I love it, Jeremiah. More bullish news on the horizon. Let's see. Man, I hope Doge... See, here's the thing, Jeremiah. I hope so, too, as well. The only difference for Doge 2014 is... Dude, they're not doing nearly as much marketing, right? So they're doing well that they continue to raise, but they're not doing nearly as much marketing as Pepe Unchained did. Pepe Unchained did a crazy... They had one of the best marketing campaigns that I have seen in a long time. And, dude, when you spend money on marketing and you get everybody involved, this is the kind of stuff that happens, right? You make gains, and of course, people have a positive outlook on it. When you do less marketing, and Doge 2014 has less of a marketing budget, we know that, but when you do less marketing, okay, it's a little bit more sporadic in between, I guess, notifications of what's going on in the project. People start to feel a little uneasy. Then they start messing with themselves in their own minds and saying, it's over, it's a scam, blah, blah, blah. Dude, all of those people, I would love, because I really have a distaste for Reddit. I don't like Reddit. Idiots back in the AMC days, they wanted to do nothing but trash me because I told you AMC was going to have a difficult time going to $500,000 a share. And just terrible people out there sometimes. But dude, all of the posts that I saw on Reddit about Pepe Unchained being some sort of a scam, don't buy it, and I'm a scammer for talking about it, and all of this stuff, it's so annoying to me, man, that these people, they got to go out there and trash everything that they see. And I think it's because, this is what I think it's because they miss out. They miss out on so many opportunities that all they can do is have some sort of a negative outlook on everything. I get it, man. I get it. I've taken some chances on some stuff. I've bought into a lot of tokens. They did go south, right? They go down. But when you buy into a token like this, man, and it goes up 3-4x in the first 2 days, I mean, those are the only guys that I really wish I could tell I told you so, because there are a bunch of clowns out there on Reddit, and I don't really feel that way about anybody else, but I do feel that way about the guys on Reddit. Anyway, let's talk a little bit more about what's going on in the chat and catch up here, because Shiba Inu Coin throwing some nice screen lines on the screen right now. He Rev stocked up on Coke Inu. Can't wait for the coin to blow up. Very nice, dude. I don't own any Coke myself, but I know some people in here do, and I'm excited about this bull market, man. I really am. I want to see Pepe Unchained level gains in everything across the board. I'm telling you right now, look, that's a 4x. If I did that on my whole portfolio, if everything in my portfolio did that, I am going to be ecstatic. And that is, to me, that's a very conservative expectation, especially since a lot of my portfolio is in memes. That is a very conservative expectation for the upcoming bull market rally. Pepe Unchained could just be getting started. Some people might be taking some profits soon. And you guys remember some of those guys that went in there and bought $250,000 worth of Pepe Unchained? Guys, they're just under $1 million in their portfolio right now. To me, that is incredible. And I hope we all hit it, man. I hope we all 4, 5, 10, 50x in the upcoming bull market. Let's see. Good thing I kept my XRP and didn't sell it. I bought it $235. Chris, man, very good. It is bouncing back up. I didn't see where it was, but I know it came down to about $2 and bouncing back up. So looking very good. Sup, Clay? Johnny K. What's going on, Johnny K? Saw that it was down $500. Didn't panic. There you go, Chris. Let me say this, dude. I've been down much more than $500, right, on some of these trades, both on leverage and on just buying. A lot of these positions swing very heavy now because I've accumulated quite a bit. So there is such a drastic difference in being down $500 on a spot trade, which you know that you can hold forever. You know that you own that XRP. And you can ride it down to zero and all the way back up 10 years later if you want. But when you're on a leverage trade, okay, let's say you opened up $1,000 position and you're down $500. There is a different, at least for me, there is a different emotion involved with that because they will liquidate your position. And when they liquidate your position, the trade is over. You've lost your money and you have zero chance of getting that money back. Of course, you got to open up a new position, and essentially that would be new profit at that point. So there is a big difference in being able to spot trade and being able to leverage trade in terms of the emotion involved with it. Clearly, $500 profit would be good, but $500 loss is still okay on spot because you can hold it and you can hold through that loss. When you're talking about leverage, man, you can be down $500 in a minute and you can be back up $5,000 in the next 10 minutes. So leverage is nuts. Reddit's full of trolls. Reddit really is full of trolls, man. I don't know what they got going on. What happened to Brocoin? No toes. Brocoin is TBD. Brocoin's TBD, man. Hey, Clay, figured out how to transfer crypto to buy Pepe Unchained, but too late. Sold out. Bought Wall Street Pepe. Peter, man, very nice. Did you buy with my link? For a variety of reasons, I hope you did, right? Number one, the marketing company that works with all of this, it gets these links out. They see that you guys use my link, and that looks better for me. They want to do more advertising and stuff like that. So I appreciate every single one of you guys that, even if you just click my link, right, it does help because it shows clicks. But also, dude, I really don't want you going out there and just Googling Wall Street Pepe or whatever, because I've seen so many people, and then they kind of blame me for it, right? So in the comments of some of my videos, and I've answered some of these guys, and I feel bad for some of them. Other guys are kind of mean, so you feel a little less bad for them. But, dude, if you see my video or something and you watch it, and then you think, okay, well, I'm going to go Google Wall Street Pepe, or I'm going to go find him on X. I'm going to go find Wall Street Pepe on X. Some people don't like using affiliate links. They don't want somebody else to benefit from what they're doing. Okay, but when you risk going out to Google just Wall Street Pepe or any of these new pre-sales that are up, yes, you might click on the correct link, but I have seen so many stupid scammers with those sponsored links that show up sometimes even before the actual website. And it's like Wall Street Pepe, or Wall Street Pepe with two P's or something on the end. And if you accidentally connect your wallet to that, a variety of things can happen there too. Either you connect and they instantly drain, or you connect and you buy and they never give it to you. There's a lot of stuff that could go on that wouldn't allow you to successfully transact it. Not able to claim Pepu. What's it say, Pudgy? What's it say? You should be able to claim, man. Did you stake your tokens? Let me ask you that first. And what does it say? Above the 102 level, Bitcoin has no major liquidation lines. To the moon, baby! I hope it hits the moon, dude. Because people are just so much happier when things are moving up. I'm happy right now. The green lines make me happy. You guys being happy makes me happy. And Pudgy, dude, if you bought into Pepe Unchained, let's try to figure out how to get you to claim, because you're making a lot of money right now. And if you want to take advantage of that, like if you want to go book your profits, Pepe Unchained is up 4x from its pre-sale prices. It's up almost 3x from its last stage pre-sale price. So, yeah, if you guys bought, let's try to figure out how you guys can claim. If you decided to stake, you won't be able to withdraw those tokens for 7 days, which seemingly is still okay at the moment because the price is doing very nice. And I don't think that it has yet been listed on some lower end tier 1, upper end tier 2. And then at the end of the week or thereabouts, I don't know, it's going to be listed on some very large tier 1 exchanges from what I've been told. So hopefully we see some even further gains in Pepe Unchained. Let's see. David says, I dumped 10K into Pepe coin, and it has not made me $1 bazillion. It's your fault. Just silly. I know, man. I know. And one of these days, though, David, it might, man. It might. It always is my fault, right? These guys, they think that I control the prices, and if I did, I would only put the price up, and up, man. Bitcoin going to 116. Nickcoin, I hope so. See Lucas don't like it, man. What don't you like about it? He says scams. Chris says, so I need to know what else should I invest into currently. I have around $50 to play around. Chris, completely up to you, man. $50, right? I don't think that $50 is necessarily going to make you life-changing money unless you go out and do something crazy, like completely risk that $50 in some sort of a pump.fun. Dang, that's a big purple line on SHIB now, man. Somebody must have bought in heavy and then sold off just as heavy. So $50, dude. You could go out to pump.fun and buy a little Solana token that hasn't even hit radium yet. And then all of a sudden it goes from a $10,000 market cap to a $10 million market cap, 1,000 extra money, and walk away with, what, $50,000 there. That's about the only way that you're going to see crazy gains on $50. I would not mess around with an Ethereum token with $50. You're going to pay that in gas fees. So I would try to stick around with Solana if you're going to be doing anything with $50. Let's see. Clibro, here's a thought. What if the community took over honorarium since Dark Bro left with the liquidity pool? If made it the community owned, we could make it great. Even change it to Brocoin. Yeah, so if we were going to change it to Brocoin, man, we could just make a Brocoin or something out on Solana instead of BNB. But Panda, I see community takeovers taking place all the time. I don't know who, right? But there was somebody in here that owned a huge chunk of honorarium. I still own all my honorarium, right? I haven't sold any of that. But there was somebody in the live stream, I don't know who it was, that owned a huge chunk of honorarium. They might be interested in doing some sort of a community takeover, man. I don't know. Got to get the community involved. Take it over. Let's see. Won't do anything. Connected wallet and won't show Ethereum to buy. But won't show Ethereum to buy. Won't do anything. Okay, you've connected your wallet. I'm under the assumption that you use my link, right, Pudgy? And all of that. So, the only thing... Well, not the only thing, right? The next thing that I would suggest doing is, so, my wallet's not connected. So you've connected your wallet, right? And then does it show you your balance? Like, does it show you that you have 10,000 Pepe ready to be claimed, or what does it show you from there? Because the only other thing that I would think, maybe you're trying to use like Trust Wallet or something, or a MetaMask wallet. One time, and I think it was with Dogeverse, I'm not exactly sure which token it was now, I could not get anything to work with my Trust Wallet. So I downloaded Coinbase Wallet. I entered my 12-word seed phrase into the Coinbase Wallet, and I had 0 issues connecting and claiming on the Coinbase Wallet. So I don't know what wallet you're using, but that worked for me in the past when I could not get Trust Wallet to work. So that might be a suggestion that I would have there. But like if you have your wallet connected and it's not even showing you your wallet balance here, something's wrong with the connection, right? So maybe try to connect, a different wallet to see if that works, because that did work for me on one of the other tokens. But it should be showing you your balance and stuff. Let's see. Problem is, any liquidity added can just be removed again. Just Dave, man. Not 100%. I may have missed something with Just Dave. What Just Dave said there. Is it legit? Antonio. It's out there trading right now. It's up 300% since the early stages of the pre-sale there. Brian says, so I try to do a swap on the Pepe network. It says network fee is $6.50. I'm okay with that, but MetaMask is going to take $10 more too. Why is that? Is Best Wallet cheaper? I don't know why Best Wallet would be taking $10. Unless, okay, what I can think of there, so if you're just trying to swap, okay, so I think what you're trying to do, Brian, let me see if I got this right. So you connect your wallet, right? And you're trying to swap Ethereum now from just using this Pepe swap right here, buying now on Uniswap. So you're using this widget, and you're going to be trading, I don't know, 0.01 Ethereum, whatever, $37 for Pepe Unchained tokens right here. This essentially just connects you to Uniswap. Right? That's all this is using here. So you may just be seeing Uniswap fees. So I'm not sure why you would be seeing fees on this widget and on MetaMask. MetaMask shouldn't be charging you a fee. MetaMask might just be, when you go to click confirm or something, MetaMask might just be showing you what they, I guess, estimate the fee to be there. Because I think that's what you're trying to do, right? You're trying to come out here and you're trying to buy some more Pepe Unchained. Using this widget just connects you out to Uniswap. It says buy now on Uniswap. That's all this is doing. It's powered by Uniswap protocol right here. So this is literally just Uniswap that you're using. And Uniswap does have, I think it's under 1%. I think it's like 0.85% or 0.5%, like 0.5% that Uniswap charges as a fee. So you may be seeing an Ethereum gas fee. That might be the $10. And then you might be seeing the Uniswap fee. So that could be the case. Uniswap might be charging you $6 or something for 0.5%. And then Ethereum network might be charging you that $10 gas fee. Matter of fact, thinking it through, that's probably what you're seeing. MetaMask is showing you the Ethereum gas fee, $10, and then, which is actually relatively cheap right now. I was doing something earlier and they wanted 50, so I decided not to do it. So that's probably what you're seeing. $6 in your fee that you pay to Uniswap, and then $10 that you pay to Ethereum. I would imagine. That's my best guess. If anybody else tried that and they know what Brian's talking about, hopefully. Bought Pepe on launch yesterday morning and somehow got linked to the wrong Pepe. Gosh, man. Yeah, Johnny K, dude. Did you buy it on Ethereum or did you buy it on Solana? Because I'm pretty sure I saw a Solana token out there when I was looking for this one yesterday. Dang. Did you buy a lot, dude? I hope you didn't buy a lot, man. Oh, man. Celebrity Insider. Thank you very much for the super chat. Celebrity Insider says, bro, I'm making so much money with Pepe Unchained. Thank you for dropping gems. Celebrity Insider, man. Dude, I'm going to be honest with you, right? And nobody knows the future. I'm taking risks the same way that you guys are taking risks. I want that to be very clear. I do. Because some people think that I've got the holy grail and I don't ever lose a trade or I don't miss a trade or anything like that. So I am very happy that you guys are making money. And I hope a lot of these tokens that we talk about, whether it be these tiny little memes that I'm in, Cat Slap, I'm still very excited about Cat Slap, and Cat Slap is on its way up. Dude, if Cat Slap just goes to the market cap that Pepe Unchained has right now, it's going to 10x. I mean, dude, if Cat Slap 10x is on me, I'm going to be like Celebrity Insider here. I'm going to be making so much money. I'm going to be very happy with it. But dude, it's still, Pepe Unchained is still ripping higher, sitting at $269 million. Cashapp doing very well to bounce back up over the last couple of hours here, dipping from around 40 or dipping down to 49, bouncing back beautifully this morning, and sitting at 56 at the moment, 0.56 cents, but a $25 million market cap. It could still 10x to get to where Pepe Unchained is in terms of overall market cap. So if that happens, that's going to be phenomenal. But yeah, man, I hope we see this in pre-sales across the board. It doesn't have to be this strong. This is a very strong launch. 4x gains on launch is incredible. So yeah, dude, I'm very, very happy that you're making some money out there. Let's see, Chris, 40 months of bro. I love it, Chris. Hello, everyone. What can I say with limited character? No, Chris. They don't limit your character. They don't limit you that much. I know you can send more than that, man. But very nice. I got it. That was funny. I thought that was funny. Let's see. Marlon says, Johnny K, that sucks, man. I always fear that, as I have done the same thing with my Avalanche. I sent it to my Polkadot wallet because it was showing Avalanche as a token of support. Yeah, dude, I have only been honeypotted one time. Sounds like margin trading isn't worth it. Jeremiah, it's definitely worth it when you win. It is definitely not worth it when you lose. That's terrible. Let's see. Look at Purge. Yes, Swiss Army. We will look into Purge as well. Celebrity Insider. What's crazy is it has no listing yet. Dude, now I imagine some people, usually when I see a MEXC listing, some people do take some profit on MEXC listing. But dude, if it hits KuCoin, if it hits Binance, if it hits Coinbase, yeah, man, that's the crazy part. There's another 2-3x gain if it hits those huge listings. There's your another 2-3x gain that'll take it to $500 million or maybe even $1 billion market cap, which would be phenomenal. But yeah, I don't know who they're getting, right? I don't know who they're getting in terms of tier 1. I would be ecstatic if they got Binance. 25. Oh. Yeah, $2,500 definitely is a pretty hard hit there, man. That is definitely a pretty hard hit, and I would be absolutely ticked. Which one did you get? Right? Which one did you get? Do you have a contract address? See, I saw all of these on Solana yesterday. Just so everybody knows, absolutely do not buy that contract address. Is it one of these? Holy smokes. This token might be a scam, it says at the top. Yeah, I'd say so. Let's see, they still have it here? Nope. Alright, this one. Perfect. And I do, let me see if I got the... I don't have that other one open. Let me pull it up over here. Yeah, so if you guys want to get into this one as well, they're smashing through all their pre-sale stages. They'll probably raise this next $100,000 in the next 2 hours. So yeah, if you guys are interested in Wall Street Pepe as well, you got links in all of my Wall Street Pepe videos. In this one, it's a little bit different than Pepe Meme. I know you guys have been watching my videos. Pepe Meme is going to have crazy high launch day gains, and I think that one is probably going to see a lot of profit taking on launch day. Wall Street Pepe, same marketing company that does videos for Pepe Unchained. I think these guys are going to be doing a phenomenal job. Just in the last week, they're at like $4.4 million raised. So I think these guys could be very similar. I mean, obviously, nobody knows what's going to happen, but they could do very well as Pepe Unchained there. Johnny K! Hey, Clay, check out Wally on Ethereum. It is my favorite coin. I have seen that trend. I do not own any of it. My main I am doing very well on Cat Slap right now. My main Ethereum meme at the moment is Cat Slap. But let's check out Wally because I have seen that trending a lot. I'm a Dolphin and Pepe meme. There you go, Celebrity Insider. Dead serious, Dolphin man. I hope you guys are paying attention because I know there's gonna be guys out there that take their profit on launch day. Okay, I know that they will. So please be one of them. I would not expect Pepe Meme to to launch with 7x gains and then continue to move higher from there. I know how these guys take their profits so stinking quickly. So be careful with that one. It's going to have some sweet launch day gains, but some very, very high volatility. Let's see. Hey, Clay, I have Pepu, but I don't have the emoji in my wallet. It's a black circle that says ERC20. It's up 82%, but is it right? Yes, Eddie, that is correct. So usually what happens when a token very first launches, and I don't know what wallet you're using, but when a token very first launches, there's a very good chance that you don't see a dollar amount in your wallet until they get listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I believe Pepe Unchained had like pre-confirmation to be listed on CoinMarketCap, so everything should be good there, no matter what wallet you use. Trust Wallet is typically a little slower, so if you get Trust Wallet, you might have to wait for that to update and stuff. But yes, they go through everything, and Trust Wallet seems to be the slowest. MetaMask is a little bit better. Best Wallet, especially if they're partnered with some of these pre-sales, they're very good as well. But yeah, it'll just say ERC20, and then I would imagine within the next couple of days, once everything gets synced up between like the blockchain and the wallet interface, CoinMarketCap, and so on, then you'll see the logo sitting next to your token there. So it'll be like the Pepe Unchained logo, and then it'll be, you say Pepe Unchained or Pepu or whatever, and then your total token balance. So 100% normal, Eddie, yes. A Wally on Ethereum, that's what we got to pull up. See how well Wally's doing, because I know it's trending. Is it trending right now? No, that token is trending all the time, though. It's pretty sure it's this one. We can go daily on this one. Hey, that's a very good graph, though, too, man. That's a very good graph. Even though you had a nice little rally, check this out. Very strong so far. You do have a little resistance at the current level that it's at. Horizontal. Testing. If that breaks, your next level of resistance essentially going to be at this all-time high here. So, sticky graphs, man. Sticky graphs. So, yeah, Wally actually doing very well. Tiny little $8 million market cap, 5,000 holders, $551,000 in the liquidity pool. But I have seen this one trending quite a bit out on Dex Tools. So, I know a lot of people know about this token right here. Panda says, it's been a while since I've seen you eat a banana, man. I forgot how to do it. You peel the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. One bite, man. That is how you eat a banana. Banana Panda. Panda Banana. Banana Panda. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Wally on Ethereum is a round table with Mario Fafal in 1 hour. I feel it's about to soar. All right, man. I hope it does. Guys, if it listen, it could soar in an hour, even based on a technical break. So if he pushes it up through that horizontal level of resistance that I got on the screen right there, you could see a technical break to the all-time highs. So make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in it. When should I sell Ethereum? I bought it 4,000. Romulo. So my expectations for Ethereum are somewhere between an all-time high, around 5,000, to essentially $10,000 in this upcoming bull market. When should you sell? Now, you can insert Ethereum, Shiba Inu Coin, Wally, Cashapp, Pepe. You can insert any of those tokens into that blank there, and the answer still remains the same. There are several indicators or factors that you can look at as to when you should sell a token. Your goal, right? Let's say you met your goal. Your goal was a simple 10% gain. Your goal was 100% gain. Your goal was a certain dollar amount. So you wanted to turn your $4,000 into $5,000. A certain dollar amount is met. If you've met your goal, why hold? Okay? Maybe you wake up one morning and you're above your goal. You can put a stop loss on right there at your goal and get it if it comes back down, and let it run if it decides to go even higher. So when you meet your goal, sell it. Another thing, maybe you don't necessarily have a certain dollar amount, but you're simply riding the bull market. Now, if you take that $4,000 and somehow it turns into $10,000, now you're starting to talk about a lot of money. And if you don't want to risk losing that money, then of course you could sell, or you could shave your position. So risk management. If you can't risk losing it, it might be time to sell or shave some profits. Maybe it's simply going up and you're starting to get uneasy. You can't sleep at night. All right? You're starting to wonder and worry. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? You're too heavily invested at that point. So take emotions out of the game. And if you meet your goal, cut it. If you are starting to get too emotional about it, cut it back to a level where you're not emotional about it. But I can't time the top perfectly. Nobody can time the top perfectly. Nobody knows how high it's going, and all of that. So please be aware that you're never going to have a perfect trade unless you got a little luck in it. Alex says, when you're in the money. There you go, man. When you're making money on Ethereum, take some of that profit. Hey, Clay, trying to figure out BitUnix. How exactly do I start copy trading? So Alien Head Intelligence, how do you start copy trade? Like, how do you start copying somebody else? Or how do you become a copy trader? So, let's see if I got it open. I don't. Let me pull it up over here. All right. Let's see. So if you want to, let's just see if he answered real quick, because I don't know if he wants to copy someone else or if he wants to be a copy trader. What is the market cap on Pepe right now? 260 million? I don't think it's either one of those. Gosh, dude, 3.4 cents, man. This is a very strong token. Looking very nice, man. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I hope all of them in this bull market turn out this way. I mean, let me just say this, Eddie and anybody else that has Pepe Unchained right now, okay? You don't have to go out there, 4x your money, and then decide to put it all into Street Pepe, and then try to 4x that and essentially make a 16x gain, and then do it again and again. If you bought into this and you're up 4x right now, you've got a lot of money now to make some decisions with. You did very, very well. So you could diversify that into a couple pre-sales. You could go out there and you could leave it in Ethereum if you wanted to leave it. If you've got one Ethereum now and you want to leave it in Ethereum, no matter what it is, do and deploy what strategy works best for you, because this is a very nice game. I think it can go higher if it gets listings like Binance and so on, but this is a very nice game, man, and I hope that you guys are very successful and are able to use this money to make a lot more money. So with BitUnix here, did he answer? How do I start copy trading? So how you would start copy trading is, I'm not logged in, so I can't show you the exact breakdown, but on your account, so if you're on your phone, if you're on the computer, whatever, you go to you click on your little circle or whatever it is, your little profile picture up there on top, and you've got like a spot wallet, a futures wallet, and you've got a copy wallet. I think those are the only three you have on BitUnix. You have to make sure that you have money. So if you've deposited money into your spot wallet, you need to move that money over into a copy wallet. It's very easy. You can click on your asset. You can click, there's a button that says transfer, and then you click transfer. It's going to ask you if you want to transfer it from spot to futures or spot to copy. So you got to move some over. So let's just say you move $100 over to your copy wallet. After you have the assets in your copy wallet, you should be able to come out here and search for any of these guys, right? You could do it for, this is over the last 7 days. You could look at the 30, 90-day performance by profit and loss. These guys have made a lot of money. This guy's up 374,000. He's up 24,000, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. So these guys have made a lot of money. Return on investment, if you're looking for ROI, I mean, guys, over the last 7 days, this guy's up 450, 196, 192. So search for whatever guy that you feel is best to copy, okay? These guys are down, but they have 100% winners. So if a win rate, if you don't want these guys to sell a loss, that might be something that you look at there. Assets under management. This guy's got $1.5 million, $550,000. So these guys got a lot following them right now. This guy's full, though, and this is the guy I talk about in my videos. So what you would do there, you would find a guy that you like. You would click copy now. And then, of course, you will log in. And it should ask you how much money that you want to allocate towards following that guy. And it should be just that easy. So the same way that you would open a trade, you would essentially click copy now. Make sure you have money in your copy wallet. And then determine how much money you want to end up following this guy. So if you want to put $100 in, honestly, I don't know what the minimum is that you can have following somebody. But it should be just that easy to start copying somebody. If you want to become a leader, okay, if you want somebody to follow you, you can click on become a leader. After you're logged in, it gives you a little like tutorial on what to do. To become a leader, I think you need like $5 in your account to start trading there. And obviously, when you start trading, I mean, you're probably going to be way back here. Like, these guys don't even trade. Page 56, 57. These guys have essentially signed up to be leaders, but they're not doing anything. Except this guy. Don't follow that guy. Oh, wow. So, yeah, if you want to become a leader, it is very easy to become a leader as well. Might not be as easy to get followers. So, what you essentially want to have happen if you become a lead trader is you want to be on this first page here. I don't know how many pages people are going to end up scrolling through to find someone they want to copy. But, dude, if you think about it, man, some of these guys really are making a lot of money. This guy's got $550,000. Over the last 7 days, he's made $24,000. Okay? He's made $24,000 for his followers over the last 7 days. That means he walked away with $2,400. So, even if you guys don't have a very large portfolio and you don't necessarily want to risk your stuff on leverage, but you are a good trader, you can hit a very high win rate, you can hit some very good winners, you might end up with a lot of people following you and therefore make a lot of money because they're happy. These guys look, if he made 24,000 bucks for his followers, they're very happy to take 22 grand, and he walks away with 2 grand. So it is an incredible opportunity. My gosh, dude, Pepe Unchained just keeps going up. Very, very good day. I'm happy. I know you guys are happy. Things are looking good right now. $1 Pepe coming up, man. Let's go. Let's get started. $1 might be a little hard because it already does have a very large market cap. 30x. What does that take you to? Roughly a 10. You know what? $1 would be kind of crazy. $1 Pepe is passing Pepe. So I'd be a little careful on $1. Super Basil says, hey, Clay, I still haven't claimed my tokens. Had them all staked with great rewards. Is there a timeline for claims? Also, can I just claim them both, rewards plus stake tokens, after the 7 days? Yeah. So after, I don't know if you need to click claim now, and then in 7 days, you will be able to withdraw those. So if you do want to claim them now, if you no longer want to stake them, I would go in there and try to click the claim button and stop the staking rewards right now so that in 7 days you can withdraw them. Just because, 7 days worth of rewards at the current rate, you're not going to be making a ton, but you don't want to wait 7 days, right? And then go click the button and then have to wait 7 days. So 7 more days. It is a 7-day lock period once you, I believe, unclaim them. Well, if you want to keep getting rewards, man, you got to leave it in there. So you can't continue to stake and get those rewards and claim it. You can't have your cake and eat it too. So decide whether you want to eat your cake or decide whether you want to have your cake, man, because I wish we could all go out there and have our cake and eat it too, but we can't. $1. Which brokerage is that? That is BitUnix. So if you guys are interested, all of my videos have a link for BitUnix. And I'm accumulating on BitUnix right now. I'm not terribly interested in copy trading myself. I'm not going to do it, so don't think that you guys are going to go out there and copy me or anything. But bot trading. Starting Q1, so probably in the next month or so, they're going to release their trading bots that you guys can go in and use and set up. Very similar to what KuCoin has, but available in the United States. You can't use KuCoin in the United States anymore, so that's pretty annoying. But you can on BitUnix. So they'll release their bots, I've been told, Q1. I don't know if that's January, February, or March, but once they start trading bots, I'm going to let some bots trade some of my stuff so that I can take advantage of all the dips and stuff. Still can't believe about a honeypot. It was such an amateur. Dude, it's not even that much of an amateur move, Johnny. I bought a honeypot before too. It's just, it feels really dumb. It really does, man. It feels very dumb that you buy a honeypot. It feels very dumb that you buy into a rug pull. It feels very dumb when you lose a seed phrase to a wallet and don't have access to that wallet anymore. There's a lot of mistakes, man. And especially if you're going in and trying to buy something very quickly and you don't double, triple, quadruple check it, it absolutely can happen. And especially with so many people trying to scam people right now, with tokens doing well, with Pepe Unchained doing as well as it is. Does that say 3.7 cents? Oh, God, dude. Run it, man. Run it. Pepe Unchained looking very good. Hey, if you guys would just go in and pump the price at Cat Slap, if you guys would just go in and, run the price at Cat Slap up to 3.7 cents, I will do a very, very large giveaway for you guys if you run it to 3.7 cents today. I think Cat Slap's going to make it to 3.7 cents, whether you run it or not. But, yeah, if you guys go do that today for me, I'll do a very nice giveaway for you. 3.77 cents, man. Oh, my gosh. Pepe Unchained looking very good. I got to move this over just a little. You guys can't even see the graph. There you go. Now you can see it. The graph was starting to go off the screen. Libro! Purge. Yeah. Purge on the way out right here. We got to talk about Purge on the way out. Is it this one? Let's see. That's it. All right, sweet. Yeah, guys, that's a very nice daily graph, I'll tell you that. Let's see what it looks like on the actual daily candles. Oh, yeah. That's solid as well, man. That's solid as well. So, this definitely doesn't look bad at all, dude. $133,000 in volume, 27,000 holders, a decent-sized liquidity pool with $1.7 million there. I don't mind this token at all. So, forgive me, Father. Purge on the Near network. I don't own any tokens on the Near blockchain, so check that one out if you guys are interested in it. Beautiful graph, nice ascending trend line, trying to break resistance at 3 cents, and if it does, of course, you can see some even further gains there. So looking very good on that daily chart. Where do you get it at, man? I've never bought a Near token before, so where do you get Purge at? Let these guys know in case they want to go grab some and take advantage of it in this upcoming bull market. Let's see. I'm telling $5 Pepe, baby. $5 Pepe. Hey, you're going to have $1 million if it hits $5. I know you will. Buy more cat slap. Pump it, Panda. Pump it. Lost thousands. Oh, yeah. Celebrity. I think we all... I can't say that we all have, right? But I think that... I think a lot of people have lost a lot of money on some stupid stuff. Well, honestly, I wasn't expecting much from Pepe. I see all of this money in my wallet now. Now the hard part. Hey, Eddie. Now is the hard part, man. Now is the hard part. And it is up to you, okay? And I am very, very happy that you guys are seeing money in... I'm very happy that you guys are seeing money in your wallets because of Pepe. I hope that you see more, but it is your decision now. Right? I don't know what happens tomorrow. I don't know if Pepe goes to 10 cents tomorrow or if it goes back down to a penny tomorrow. I have no idea. And I will say this, even if you close out now or shave now and it's up to 10 cents tomorrow, you've got to make that decision yourself and you've got to be comfortable with that decision. So know that nobody times this stuff perfectly. Know that there will always be more opportunities out there. And I do hope, this is my hope, right, that Pepe Unchained is the start of a very beautiful bull market for pre-sales. Because if people start to see Pepe Unchained is doing as strong as it is, well, why couldn't Wall Street Pepe do just as good, if not better? Here's what happened, and here's what you can learn, right? In the bear market, some of these other tokens, Play Doge and Base Dogs and some of those, Pepe Unchained had a little bit of profit takers on its right after its launch. Okay, these guys came out, they sold off a little bit, and then of course, people started buying back in. This is the most important part. The people who bought Pepe Unchained at its very beginning, during the pre-sale, they didn't panic sell. Panic sellers kill these pre-sale projects before they really take off. Now, the gains that happened afterwards, absolutely beautiful, right? Pepe Unchained exploding now and looking very nice, already almost at 4 cents, and it might be at 4 cents by the time I finish the shoutouts to end the live stream here. I hope that it's not just Pepe Unchained. I hope that all of these other pre-sales and all of our meme coins and all of our tokens that we're buying see some very nice bull market gains. This is what happens in bull markets. So I'm excited about it. I hope you guys get excited about it. And I truly do hope that we make as much money as possible in this upcoming bull market rally. let's see. I'm gonna go buy some because Claybro said so. That's the best thing that you can ever do, man. Listen to somebody else when they tell you what to do with your money. Anyway, guys, it is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're gonna do some shout outs. We will be back with videos all day long today. Appreciate you guys for watching those, sharing those, liking those. Even if you just click on the links for the stuff, all the support is absolutely incredible. And I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys and everything. And I want you to know that I am very, very grateful for all that you guys do, man. So let's do some shout outs. We'll be back all day with videos. And hopefully you guys have a great day. Swiss Army, man, have a great one. See you later. We got Celebrity Insider, Panda, Celebrity Insider, Old Rounder, Super Basil, man, have a great one. Swiss Army, see you later. Eddie, have a great one. Celebrity, we got Just Dave, man. Even tokens you wouldn't expect can be rugged, but when the opportunity arises, it's true, man. It's true. Celebrity, see you later. Panda, have a great one. Mishima, have a good one. We got Dean's Tech, see you later. Swiss Army, Old Rounder, just be honest. What's going on? Panda, STS, Swiss Army, Johnny K, Devil's Advocate. Oh, yes. Devil's Advocate, man. Where have you been? I'm glad. Guess who's back? Back again. Devil's back. Tell a friend. Devil, never leave me again. You better be here tomorrow, my man. You better be here tomorrow. Charles, have a great one. Mr. Coke, see you later. J-Booms, baby. Galactic, Celebrity, Devils, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with. I knew what the listening means for, but we'll look into it tomorrow, man. We'll look into it tomorrow. Delisting essentially means that it's no longer going to be traded. Okay, so I don't know if they're moving down onto a pink sheet from the NASDAQ or wherever they're at, but essentially it's no longer going to be traded on the stock market or the exchange that it is currently on. So what you would end up having is, I don't know if you got it on Webull or where you own the shares at, but if whatever broker you use allows you to trade pink sheets, you'll still be able to trade that within your portfolio. If they do not allow you to trade pink sheets, then you are most likely going to be, they're just going to close your shares out with whatever the price is at when the delisting date happens. So if, I don't know how much you got, right? But if it gets delisted and you can't trade those shares on your current broker, whatever you got, whatever the money is, it's just going to end up being cash in your portfolio instead of shares in your portfolio. Delistings typically result in the price going down even further. So completely up to you if you decide to hold it and you are allowed to trade it on pink sheets, or if you just want to sell now and get out ahead of the delisting date, you can do that as well. Anyway, shout out to Devil's Advocate, Charles, Mr. Coke, J Bowman's, Galactic, Devils, Celebrity, Panda, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.